How do I use the new dynamic island on the iPhone 14 Pro? Hi, I'm Eric Zeman, Managing Editor of Consumer Electronics at PC Mag. The new iPhone 14 Pro lost the notch but gained an island. Here's how to interact with it. The dynamic island appears when you use certain apps. Let's open the Music app. We'll select a song and press play. When you close the Music app, it minimizes itself into the dynamic island. You can see the album art as well as a sound wave to let you know that music is playing. If you press and hold, it will open up the music controls. Swiping closes it, and a tap opens the app fully again. If you need to use a second app, simply open the app you need, interact with it, close that app, and you'll see that there are now 2 live actions in the dynamic island. You can interact with either, such as the timer or the Music app.